guys, Miriam here. So I saw a video online. Can you stand? Sorry. Sorry. So I saw a. You need what? What do you need? I should raise it up. Hot water. Hot water.
Yeah.
Okay, so I saw a video online of him. I'm like, okay, you know what? We need to come. Everybody needs to support Mr. Ibu. Mr. Ibu really needs our help. If you know Mr. Ibu made your childhood, even if he didn't make your childhood, this man needs our help. This condition won't be easy one. Imagine the pains he's going through.
I'm not that. I don't go to the other.
Okay, yes.
Anybody will want that and die before not ending. I don't
know. Nobody go die. And you two, you don't go die. You will be here, so you don't go die. You'll be here. You will celebrate many Christmas with us, yeah?
Seriously. It's ready.
So please, guys, anyhow way you touch your mind, please, Mr. Ibu he wants to be transferred to another hospital. So please, they need money. Now we need money. I beg, no look say things dry. 1,000, 2,000, any amount can go a long way. Guys, so please, he really needs our help. See his leg. Mr. Ibu needs to be flown abroad. Any way we can help him get visa. Anybody, if you know, I know how you guys are helping a lot of people. Any way we can help support him, please help us take care of him. Mr. Ibu is a good man.
And I will do my best when I come back.
Yes, because you are going to come back and nothing will happen to you. Because you are a good man. Please, guys, help us. I beg. I'm going to post his account number on the. Or is he here? Is he here? Can I call it? Like he's going through a lot of things, and so I said, okay, I can still make my own video to solicit for help for him. We don't know where help can come from, so let's not deprive him of that, because Mr. Ibu made a lot of us our childhood. So I decided that, okay, I know the kind of fan base I have. We love to help people and support people, so let's see that we are helping our own. Mr. Ibu is a legend. He really made our childhood. Yes, he really made all of us happy. In fact, a lot of people look up to him. So please, in any way we can support him with anything we can. I'm going to post his account number there. His health is really not.
What I'm bringing you.
Everything is not feeling well. Mr. Ibu needs proper care. He needs to be taken care of properly. And right now they need to transfer him to another hospital. He has been here for like 2 weeks now. So he needs better and proper medication. He's going through a lot of things as it is now. He's been through a lot. Mr. Ibu is a legend. You know how Mr. Ibu made a lot of us our childhood. Like, this man literally made our childhood. So if you are touched in your heart to support him with anything, guys, please, I beg all of you. Mr. Ibu is still a happy person. Even while I was making that video, he was still talking, trying to crack me up and all. That's why you see some part of the video were cut and dropped. I'm like, this thing is serious. You're in pain. Why are you trying to be funny at this point, bro? I understand that it is his nature. Please, anything that we can do, please, anything. If you are touched in your heart, any way we can help him. I've done my own donation. I've supported, and I'm calling on my fans, my good fans, those people that love me so much, and those people that love Mr. Ibu so much, to come and support, do something so he can be taken to another hospital. From there, he can be taken abroad, because they say they've gone to several hospitals in Nigeria, but his condition is not getting better. So I think the best thing to do is to fly him abroad at this point. But I heard that a lot of people are already involved. They are going to be calling and all. They are going to be they're going to support him, but still no support is not even too much. No help is a waste. Please, let's help save him, please. See, that's him talking. He's still a happy person despite everything. Any way you can support, if it's to help him get the process of visa, to make it fast for him to go to any country to get help, so they can give him permanent cure for this condition. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.
everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, ngiyathemba ukuthi nisamkhumbula Mr. Ibu owaduma kwimidlalo ye-comedy from Nigeria. Guys, owenokudlala ke nalo nomfanyana omncane noma lo bhuti lomunye sengikhohle igama lakhe, kodwa nje owemncanyana owembiza ngokuthi upapa. So we actor naye kakhulu ezitorini eziningi. Izinto guys azimhambeli neze kahle ke Mr. Ibu empilweni. Uyagula bathi ke ngazothi ke unesifo sikashukela, uvuvukela inyawo ke uma engalithola usizo lwezezimali bathi ke angase ke anqanyulwe umlenze. So ke guys kunama video ka circulate la ku social media abantu ke bemcelela ukuthi ke imnikele abantu ukuthi baphose esivivaneni. Ikhona ke account lapha yana in one of the videos kulabo ke abangafisa ukuthi ke balule isandla. Guys, no baba wayesihlekisa ngampela, we used to enjoy ama video akhe. So guys, mangabe sefuna usizo ke bakithi ake siluleni izandla kulabo ke abangakwazi ukuthi ke bamsize Mr. Ibu. Siphinde simbone futhi kulama comedy videos esinokwabona. That's bring us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below, and guys, let's continue to pray for Mr. Ibu. Guys, bye.